Hey guys, so today I'll be unboxing this Zugu case for iPad Air 2020. This is one of the best cases for the iPad, and this is a bit on the expensive side, but if you're buying an iPad for 50-60,000 rupees, I think it's totally worth it because it's gonna last you an year or two minimum, and it's a premium experience, and it also helps protect your iPad. So it's a personal thing. I really like to buy good cases for my tech products. So getting straight into the unboxing, right out of the gate you can see that the package is quite premium, of course, because this is about 6,000 rupees. This is the most expensive iPad case I've ever bought. In fact, this is the most expensive case I've ever bought. This looks like it's a leather case. It's not leather, it's hard plastic, and there's a coating of PU leather on top. Inside there's this very soft touch suede material, feels like Alcantara, like car interiors. It's really soft to the touch, and there's like this microfiber pattern on the cover so that when you close the lid it doesn't scratch your screen. There's quite some space between the book cover and the screen of the iPad, so you can use a screen guard. As you can see, I'm using a screen guard right now on my iPad, and also there is 9 adjustable rests, so you can tilt your iPad on 9 settings. There's also, the case is magnetic on both sides, so you can fold the bookcase and then you can put it probably on a fridge if you're into that, if you're cooking or you're watching something. That's also a feature. And then, as you can see, there are clear cutouts in the case. This is a case that has been exclusively designed for the iPad Air, unlike the other cases that are for the iPad Pro 11-inch and have made certain cutouts for the Air. So this has precise cutouts. The fingerprint scanner is there, the speaker grills are there, the mic cutout is there, the buttons are pretty comfortable and tactile. There's a place where you can magnetically attach your Apple Pencil. The Apple Pencil charges when you attach it to this. I do not use an Apple Pencil, so I don't know how the experience is, but when you're not charging the Apple Pencil, there is a flap behind in which you can keep it secure. When you set it on a setting, like for example you keep it on an angle, there are vents given on behind the iPad that are probably supposed to help it cool down, so it might help in gaming, because this is quite a hefty cover and this will significantly increase the weight of your iPad. And just to avoid heating issues, there are vents. I have played a lot of games, I've also done video I haven't faced any heating issues, but yeah, if you intend to directly use it in the sunlight, then you might face slight heating issues. Second, this case is not for people who like to use their iPad as a light device. This makes it quite heavier. The case is more than 200 grams, so the iPad being just 400 grams or so, it will significantly increase the weight. But I think you should totally get it because it adds a premium touch to your iPad and also protects it from any scratches or dents. Of course, this is not a rugged case, so I suggest you not drop it from heights and test its durability, because you will probably end up cracking the screen of your iPad. And since you have an iPad Air, the screens of this device is pretty expensive. They go upwards of 10,000 rupees. So please don't experiment with this. This is a case for medium protection. This won't give you the best ultimate protection, and this is not a rugged case. Link this case, the Zugu Alpha case, down in the description, so you can go and check out the price or buy it. If you buy it from the link given below, it helps out the channel. That's it for the review, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. If you didn't, make sure to tell me in the comments why you didn't. I'll try to improve in one of my next videos.